For this cream, we'll use aloe, either aloe vera or aloe saponaria, like this fleshy spotted one. We're going to cut it in half, and now we're going to put it in a jar and weigh it. Like this. I'm going to give you the proportions.
With the help of a fork, we're going to keep doing this.
And we're going to extract the gel, like this. Let's look at this other one. We put it here. All the gel, I'm telling you that we just finished extracting. It's 70 grams, so what we do is add the same amount of coconut oil. In this case, since it's neither cold nor hot here, the coconut oil is kind of creamy. It might be summer where you are and it's really hot, so it's liquid, or it might be really cold and it's solid. If it's solid, you melt it a little bit in a double boiler. If it's liquid or in this state, it's already good to use. To prepare the mixture, we'll add 70 grams. So what we have are 2 equal parts. Let's mix a little bit. And optional. To this mixture we're making, we can add vitamin E, which will help it last a little longer, but it's optional. If you don't have it, that's not a problem. This mixture is enough. You can store it in the fridge and it will last you 7 to 10 days. We're going to add the equivalent of 10 drops. If you have vitamin E in capsules, just split them in half and count out the equivalent of 10 drops. We mix it very well. This part of mixing, we have to do it by hand. It doesn't have to be with a mixer or blender. Mix well until everything blends smoothly. The ingredients, and once it's mixed very well, we transfer it to a jar. We can keep it in the fridge, it will solidify and it's more practical to use. Now we can store it in the fridge and it will last there. It will last between 7 and 10 days. With vitamin E, it can last us about 2 days. Always be careful when you're going to use it. Make sure your hands are very clean, that way we don't contaminate the cream. Another way is to have, for example, a disposable spoon where we take out the amount we need to use, put it aside, and then we can wash this spoon and always keep it clean when taking out the cream, that way it lasts longer. This has already been in the fridge since yesterday. It's super cold, I wanted to show you. See? It'll be easier to take out of the fridge. It's beautiful and you'll see how it soothes the bites. But not just for that, because remember we have aloe and coconut oil. This is also useful for us to moisturize the skin for wrinkles. For example, if we have some fungus or something, it will also help us because it's antifungal. So if we have any fungus on the skin, we can use this cream. Honestly, it's Barbara, but anyway, in this episode what I wanted to share with you is something that would relieve itching. And you'll see how it works, how effective it is for that, and how it relieves.